Hello kids! Today in this video we'll learn alphabets from A to Z, both in capital letters and small letters. But before that we'll learn some colors. So these are some colors. This is red color, light green color, blue color, brown color, orange color, dark green color, and yellow color. Let's write the alphabets. So first I'll take dark blue color to write the letter A. This is capital letter A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Next I'll take pink color to write the letter B. This is capital letter B. B for ball. Light green color. This is capital letter C. C for cat. C for cat. Purple color. This is capital letter D. D for dog. D for dog. Dark green. This is capital letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Blue color. This is capital letter F. F for fish. F for fish. Red color. After F it is capital letter G. G for goat. G for goat. This is grey color. After G it is H. H for horse. This is capital letter H. H for horse. Next I'll take orange color. After H it is I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Capital letter I. Next I'll take yellow color. This is capital letter J. J for jug. J for jug. Brown color. This is capital letter K. K for kite. K for kite. Black color. This is capital letter L. L for lion. L for lion. Next I'll take dark blue color. After L it is M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Pink color. Capital letter N. N for nose. N for nose. Light green color. Capital letter O. O for orange. O for orange. Purple color. Capital letter P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Dark green color. Capital letter Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Red color. After Q it is capital letter R. R for rose. R for rose. Grey color. Capital letter S. S for sun. S for sun. Orange color. Capital letter T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Yellow color. Capital letter U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Brown color. Capital letter V. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. Dark blue color. Capital letter W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Pink color. Capital letter X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Light green color. Capital letter Y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Purple color. Capital letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So here we have completed our capital letters from A to Z. Now we'll write small letters from A to Z. This is small a. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Orange color. This is small b. B for ball. B for ball. Dark green color. Small c. C for cat. C for cat. Light blue color. D. D for dog. D for dog. Light green color. Small e. E for elephant. E for elephant. Dark blue color. F. F for fish. F for fish. Yellow color. Small g. G for goat. G for goat. Black color. Small h. H for horse. H for horse. Red color. I. I for ice cream. This is small letter I. I for ice cream. Orange color. Small letter J. J for jug. J for jug. Gray color. Small letter K. K for kite. K for kite. Brown color. Small letter L. L for lion. L for lion. Small letter M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Small letter N. N for nose. N for nose. Small letter O. O for orange. O for orange. Small letter P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Small letter Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Small letter R. R for rose. R for rose. Small letter S. S for sun. S for sun. Small letter T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Small letter U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Small letter V. V for van. V for van. Small letter W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Small letter X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Small letter Y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Small letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So hence we have completed our small letters as well. So today in this video we have learned capital letters as well as small letters from A to Z. So that's it for today, kids. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.